Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're well. Welcome to my channel. I love all of you. Thank you for the nice comments on Monday. I hate when people do this. What was I gonna say? I don't know, guys. Oh, Monday. What a great... Oh, wait. I posted a video on Tuesday. Thank you so much for the kind words. That was my I'm losing my mind video. Spit it out. Spit it out. But you guys really brought me back to life. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Today is going to be... It's a wild one. Do you like Trisha Paytas? Do you like David Dobrick? Do you like Jeffree Star? YouTube's very own? We were just sitting at Trisha's house and she's like, go see Jeffree Star? And we were like, yeah, you can just call Jeffree Star. And so she did. And he was like, yeah, come over. It wasn't even like a planned collab, but I guess it was a collab.
I've been doing that joke for like 20 minutes now.
I missed it. She said you can take whatever you want.
Yeah.
And you've been piling up things.
Yeah, no one's looking. I'm walking right by you guys.
Honey, baby doll, do you see my Mickey Mouse wallet?
All right, we're going to meet Jeffree Star.
Oh, you haven't met him before. I forgot.
I've never met him
We always
before.
talk about doing videos, so.
Maybe he'll smell my shoes.
Oh, God, babe, don't take them off. Oh, no, you have to take them off.
Does he go shoes off in his house?
Yeah, of course.
He does? My shoes smell, I know, I don't know what to tell you. I was wearing socks for a while, and then, you know, I got some socks. I got these like little white. They were like the socks that were hidden, and these were smelling great. And then I can't get it together they're just gone. The little socks are gone. They were great.
Of course.
He does?
It's a nice house, babe.
Should I go shower real quick? This is bad. Hey, you have to go shoes off? Let's not go in his house.
Oh my God, look at him eating goldfish right now, drinking out of a bottle. You look like a 5-year-old.
Can I have those?
You want them? You know me when I get hungry, babe.
You just had pizza.
I had a bite of fake pizza and it was disgusting.
Yeah, go check out Trisha's channel. We just did a vegan pizza taste test.
That apparently gave me the full after eating a bite of fake pizza.
That I thought was delicious.
I really should have peed, but that's okay. I feel a little bit.
You gotta pee? Maybe I should go wash my feet and you should pee. Oh man, I've already got anxiety about meeting Jeffree Star with smelly feet. What did my mom say to you?
And when we were in Cape Cod, we were just sitting outside, just me and her, and she goes, you know, you really won the lottery with Jason. I was like, what about me? What did he win the lottery with me? I'm the sugar mama. Jason and I are getting closer to moving in together.
Well, today was a great day, actually. You didn't bother me or anything.
I know, and you were productive. I had a quiet house.
I loved it.
I worked out.
Yeah.
I went upstairs, did my own thing. We can have that third room be an office/bedroom for your kids.
You're good, babe. You're good when I'm there. You're not naggy or anything.
No, I know, but I love you there. Like, I love having you, just like your presence.
I get it.
You know, when people knock on the door, Jason goes and answers it, and I'm like, oh my God, this is like great. I think we will.
Think I will what? Move in with you? Maybe.
We would save so much money.
No, we wouldn't, because you know you and me would get some expensive rental because we both have bad credit. We wouldn't save any money at all. Because for us, like, I could live in like a studio apartment dump for like $1,100 a month. But if I live with you, it's got to be like, you know, some bougie ass West Hollywood guy with doorman and valet, and they pick up your dry cleaning.
I'm looking at a luxury apartment on Burton Way. The penthouse is $40,000 a month.
You're so dumb.
Did you take my shoes off?
Yeah.
Oh boy. How long have you been here?
Oh, like 3 years now.
Oh my God.
I travel so much. I'm like never here.
I know, you're always not. That's why I was surprised you were in town today. I'm like, if he's in town, we need to go now. It's like,
He's gonna give me what's good. Leaving soon again. Oh.
Are you? Where are you going?
We're going to. I'm teaching more makeup classes. We're going to Bali for Nate's birthday.
Simon, relax.
Yeah, I've never been. I can't wait.
I've never been either. I want to go
Yeah.
so bad. I guess staying in one of those cool places, like those like resort
Yeah, they're
places.
crazy Four Seasons. You guys should come.
Babe, can we go?
Yeah, it's just 2
For Bali?
Let's go to Bali, Four Seasons. That's our base.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you get your ticket, Jason, and I'll get Trisha's, and let's.
Did you feel it? Did you feel it?
No, but it's definitely nice.
No, but feel your ass. Like your ass, literally, it takes your ass in. Trish, right?
Yeah.
You have no ass. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you do actually. Was that a mean thing to say?
Don't look at someone's ass.
He judged me like I was a skinny little white boy.
Oh yeah. And no, oh no, he has a booty.
No, Jeffree, forgive me. I didn't know you had that booty.
These are comfy, huh?
They're nice.
They're really nice.
What are you gonna do with them? Like keep them here or?
I don't know.
Maybe throw them in the trash.
Well, I was thinking, like, you know when those people are outside on the freeway figuring out the signs? They never have a seat. So I was thinking of maybe bringing them some chairs.
I like when you are like, I was just watching the one with Trish yesterday, and you like kind of set it up.
Was that your first time watching it?
No,
I want to get engaged so bad, babe. This is a ring. This is everything. This
Are you engaged?
It's like a promise ring.
Right.
It's the same like mentality about like
tiger.
married.
Thank you. Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
That's what I'm gonna get on my hand.
the engagement ring needs to be like.
That's what you're getting?
Yeah.
With who?
That's what I want.
Who are you going to be giving that to?
Well, no, I'm getting that. I'm getting the tiger on my hand.
Okay, great. Do you have
Yes.
tattoos or zero?
None.
Do
I don't think I
have
ever
one or no? Ever?
No. Maybe when I'm like, if I had a job like where I was like a rock star, I totally would. But like, I may need to work at like a serious job one day, so I may not.
No, you won't. Wow.
Hey.
Wow.
She's a bath.
They don't look real.
I know. It looks
Cute.
fake.
My air compressor, I'm such a man.
David, this is the one you looked at.
I know, that's what I wanted.
He looked at this, Jeffrey, he looked at this for like 2 weeks. We kept going back.
Have you driven it a lot?
Oh, yeah, a lot.
Is it your favorite?
The Rolls Royce is my like everyday car, but it's like, I don't know, you can't, these ones drive different, but they're just so like,
I would definitely pick this one.
money legal. This is Nate's car.
How much was this?
This one was 300,000.
Really?
Yeah. I paid cash.
That's crazy.
Like Cardi B, I got my pink slip.
Oh my god!
Dude, find out.
Looks like a cartoon.
It's
know.
sick. The white.
It's fake.
It's
Like-
ice white leather, pink custom dyed suede.
David, if you're gonna drive these, do not go fast right now.
Oh, I watched it fast.
I know, but he hasn't driven it before.
David's the word, like the craziest.
He's the craziest driver.
Oh, really? I'm a crazy driver too, but I'm safe.
Yeah, you are crazy
Is he
too.
safe too, or just crazy?
Well, like he said, he's never been in a car accident.
No, he'll be gentle on yours.
Here, Gucci keychain.
Oh my god. With the orange key, that's so accurate.
This is amazing.
Why is it?
Oh!
It smells brand new.
It's got it Christmas, yeah. This is a brand new convertible. It drives so fast. It's sick.
Really?
Yeah, I love it. I'm
Maybe you're
obsessed.
gonna.
To me, when you live in
can't
LA, this
decide.
sounds so
Really?
See, I can't believe I'm saying this out loud. But like in LA, it's like Ferraris, Lambos, Bentleys, cute. McLaren is like rare, way more badass. You're gonna get one, do this. If you want a convertible, this is the one.
He wanted a McLaren, and like no one liked it.
Everyone talked him out of it.
Hey.
Because
We thought the Ferrari was
you're right
nicer.
about the LA thing. In LA, your McLaren is cool,
Way cooler.
but to an outsider's perspective, a Ferrari's always cooler.
When I drive the pink cars, like, you know, fans recognize me, people live, girls die. But when I drive this, dudes that don't give a about me are like filming pictures. Like,
Right,
yeah,
right. What's the vote on these? Yes or no?
I love them. Those are Mason Margellos.
You're done with these.
I love them.
They look awesome.
Those are.
Is all the makeup here yours?
Oh my god.
Your-
Jeffrey, I had a lot of anxiety coming over here today.
Why? What'd you think about me before you met me? Sound off.
Well, I think you're great, but the anxiety didn't have to do with you.
Oh.
See, my feet smell, and as we were walking out, Trisha said, "Shoes off. It's a shoes off house."
Because it's nice,
And then,
you know.
Oh.
His feet. He doesn't wear socks with his shoes.
Sometimes I do. I just haven't in the last week. I can't imagine you ever smell.
Oh, he smells great.
I have something for your feet. Do you want to help them or?
Sure.
Let's film. Let's go over here.
Okay.
All right.
Where are we off to?
Delicious. Excuse us.
I'm not putting my feet in your sink.
No, this is new Contre More Louis Vuitton perfume. So we're just gonna help these little feet out right here. We're gonna help these little feet right here.
You're too pretty.
All his dogs are
me
bad.
some?
Oh yeah. Repeat after me. Contre Moi.
Contre moi.
Work. Drama. Come here, honey.
This is one of the best days of the year.
You said hi to Jason, sweetie.
Hi, baby. Oh.
This is drama.
This is what Trisha wants.
I want
This
one
color.
bad. Yeah, this one too. I showed him this one. This one's like so. I do like it in black. It in black. I like it, the dog in black because I showed him a black and white one. He's like,
Look, it's a purse. I love that one in black.
I love palms.
Oh.
I want one so bad.
David loves dogs too.
Show Jason the Birkin you got him.
Oh my god, you get a new one?
It's for Jason.
Babe, look.
What?
That's my present for you.
Shut up.
That's real estate, actually. Look in there.
Is it?
Cute limited edition pink crocodile.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Isn't it cute?
Oh my god! This is. I wanted this in Louis Vuitton and I thought it was too expensive. I was like, no, it's too expensive. This is
How
their
much is
dream
this
bag.
one?
That one's like 90,000. Like a used Tesla. Oh my god, here's a.
Shut up. Wait a minute.
This is real estate. So,
How much is this bag?
this is 90,000. Hermes crocodile.
90,000 what?
dollars.
Come on.
I bought it with EBT. This is
It's alligator?
Yeah, crocodile, not alligator.
It's crocodile?
Yeah.
Did you have the crocodile hand stitch it for you? I would do that.
Before I died.
It is very rare, and these go up in value every year, so this is like buying a house. What about this Gucci? We don't care about her. When you're next to a Birkin, nothing is better. Louis Vuitton?
Trash!
Louis Vuitton? Disgusting.
He throws me
Come
out.
on, isn't this gorgeous?
Oh, I love this.
But it's still not an Hermes.
Garbage.
Can I do this new Balmain?
I would
Brush off
love
the
to.
runway.
I would love to. Jeffree, is that Hermes?
This is, but
This is Balmain. I can't do it.
come on, just give it a swing.
Okay, go.
Come on.
Give me the power of Jeffree Star.
1, 2,
Trash! Out of here!
Trash?
Oh, this is cute. Do you want this? For real? It's a bag.
Trash.
It's been sitting there for 2 months. It's
You
it's
know
really hard,
it.
but it's cute.
Oh, but it's brand new. It's
Got actual trash.
I swear on my life, please take it. It's just-
I'm not taking your Gucci bag. This is.
She's taking it.
Look, I have the pink one over there that we got at the mall. Like literally, this is like the best
Wait,
style.
when do we get that? What month?
May.
That's old.
I can't take it. I can't.
Just borrow it.
Okay, I'll borrow it. I'll come bring it back.
This is Jeffree Star Cosmetics.
I love it.
But it's still not Hermes. Trash.
That's the worst promo for your company.
Okay,
Like,
first
I'm
of
not
all,
living in a pink house.
a lot of people nowadays don't know what The Shining is, which breaks my heart. But come look at my red.
Of course, I know what that is. Oh! No!
Isn't that cool?
This is probably literally the rent of our apartment, babe.
All red velvet. Oh, you book my 10 feet. There's just Gucci everywhere. I'm so
Oh! Look at this! Look at these bags!
A California king, or it's not even a California king? It's
There's
bigger?
no name for it. It's just custom.
Look at these. Look at the bags next to it too. It's so. Oh, this is my.
Oh my
This
god,
is
that's
the-
the custom, one of a kind.
No one else has this one, babe. I think this is how we started talking again because I remember I was like watching your pink.
And that's
custom
like the
Gucci.
luggage, and you were like,
I was like, what? And then you unblocked me. I told them the story. I'm like, then you unblocked me, and we're like, I was like, oh, I'm so happy.
You met in it because she said something bad about you?
no.
No, I wasn't hating. I said this. I wasn't hating.
What did you say exactly?
No, we met because she referenced my Gucci pink luggage.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I saw people replying with her name.
Right.
Yeah.
So I unblocked her, but I had blocked her like a year or two ago when I got in a fight with someone and she chimed in.
Yeah.
And I was sensitive at the time, and I was like, anyone that wants to chime in,
But I was never mean. But
Yeah.
because there was so much shit being talked, he's like, block. You know what I mean?
Block
really
everybody, yeah.
sensitive at the time, and I was just like, are you kidding me? Another, like, are you...
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why
So
I
it
was
wasn't
like.
anything like deep.
Got
Yeah,
it.
no, I know. That's like now I was like a hater, and now we're like best friends. No, so many people though would die at that. Like it's like
Yeah.
everyone hates Jeffree, and then like once he like reaches out, they're like, I love you so much. And I'm like, always. Where did you get this? This is the Coachella, right? Beyonce?
Yeah, that's Beyonce's Coachella outfit.
The actual one?
Well, they replicated it, and they sold it to 10 people. You want to try it on?
No, it's so tiny. I would stretch it out, and this is like probably more
cute.
than my whole house.
It's cute.
Literally.
Jason, can I mace you for the finale?
No, let me do it.
No.
No, you did. He pepper sprayed his friend in the eyes. I was like,
Look at that, it's got a laser on it!
God.
Holy crap!
This does have a laser on it.
Let me see. I'll show you how Jason screams. This is pepper spray?
Yeah. We can't do it in here, though. My animals might die.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I won't do it for Jason. He has to see his kids.
Holy cow! What are
Oh.
we doing? Am I getting mazed?
Oh, you want to?
No.
That's the other surprise.
Okay, you sit there.
No.
This is a good surprise. So David always,
Surprise? Okay.
David always like blindfolds people. Babe, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
We always get bad surprises.
Scared.
Star, what are you up to?
Oh my god, are you scared?
Jeffree,
Okay, open.
you're a billionaire. Oh my gosh. No.
Please.
I could not.
You and Nate are the same size.
No, I
And
don't
he-
wanna
And
take
he
pictures
has
of you.
way too many shoes, so those are you're gonna get those brand new Louis Fall 18 moments.
Jeffree Star.
Try one.
Try them on, babe.
I'm only gonna call you Jeffree Star by full name from now
I
on.
love that.
Iconic.
Sir Jeffree Star, like Sir Paul McCartney.
Ooh, word.
And
I love a
I
lesbian moment.
cannot accept these. I guess I
Try
have
them
to,
on.
right?
What are you gonna?
Oh, they're so comfortable. I love them.
Do you love?
I'm only accepting them because I like you so much.
Okay, great.
Because I like you so much. Aww. Oh my
Enjoy
god.
them. They're
We
so
should burn
happy.
these.
Yeah,
you take
honestly-
those.
no,
No,
don't.
you don't want those.
Ew. No, you could throw them away. They smell so bad. They literally smell so bad,
we'll
babe.
take them.
Okay, I'm gonna smell this.
No.
I'm doing it. Do
Okay, ready?
you want to do it with me? There's two shoes.
David,
David, there's two shoes.
What?
Will you do it with me and smell?
smell Jason's shoes.
Nose.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I just realized.
Let's both smell it together.
Okay, 3, 2. Whoa.
Was it bad? Because Jeffree's face wasn't too struck.
And not, that was really bad.
It's a good thumbnail.
Brutal.
Thanks.
Bye, Jeffree Star. My king. My queen. My everything.
Hey!
Oh,
I'm your queen.
I mean king and queen.
Who's gonna replace me?
We have another scandal.
I know. I love you.
If anything ever happens, you can move in with me, okay?
Okay, thank you. Next breakup video. I'm coming with you.
Yeah.
I love that I have a backup option.
Hey, okay, cute.
Actually, I just leave Jason now. I'm like, okay, bye, babe.
Simmer down, won't you love? I'm taking one for the team. We taking shots till it's love. You never know where we can end up. Leave this bar, raise the bar for your hanging wardrobe in the winter.
what's up, everybody? Please hit like and subscribe. Tweet me at Jason Nash, Instagram at Jason Nash. Today's shout out is Sarah. Sarah, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, guys, I'm having fun. Please go check out my merch. It's available at fanjoy.co. Also, the Views podcast rolls into Newark this weekend. Saturday night in Newark, New Jersey. Come see us. Meet and greets are sold out, but there are tickets still available. It's going to be really fun. Our live shows are a blast. Podcast Views comes out Thursday mornings. We'll be taping Wednesday night, so that's always a wild one. David and I will be taping tonight. Thursday morning is when the Views podcast comes out. So go and check it out. We love it. We love you guys. Be good. I'm giving you guys this. Right on. Right on. You know, every night, Dave, when I drop my kids off to come film with you, I start crying.
Why?
I just get sad.
Wait, what?
Every time when I drop my kids.
Looking car.
Huh?
It looks like it's from a movie.
See you later.
I love this song.
Bye, Brady. Yeah. Don't you think your girlfriend